Article 13, in that there are two clauses. First is doctrine of severability, means to separate, and second is doctrine of eclipse, means to hide. So first is doctrine of severability, means the doctrine of severability means to filter out, to check all the acts. All these laws which respect the fundamental rights shall be valid, and those which are inconsistent with the fundamental right shall become invalid. This is according to this doctrine of severability. For this, we can study the case A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras. In this case, the Section 14 of Preventive Detention Act 1950 was challenged. Section 14 of the Act says that if any person is being detained under this Act, then he or she may not disclose the grounds of his or her detention in the court of law. Means according to the Section 14 of this Act, it says that detention grounds must not be disclosed. But Article 22, this particular statement is inconsistent with that of the fundamental rights as per Article 22 of the Indian Constitution. Here the doctrine of severability says that all the pre-existing constitutional laws are to be filtered out in respect with that of the fundamental rights so as to make them valid. Thus, if we do apply the doctrine of severability here, so the whole Act, Preventive Detention Act 1950, would not be declared as void. Only that some part will be declared as void, means only Section 14 of the Act would be declared as a void as it is inconsistent with the fundamental rights. That is the doctrine of severability, means to separate out only that much part which is inconsistent with the fundamental rights.